This is this road leading to Paradise Beach. So it's too difficult to find paradise right now. I've been doing some massive off-roading for the past 30 minutes to get here. Hope it's worth my trip. Paradise Beach, some direction. Oh my god, what an off-roading journey that was. So we are currently heading to Paradise Beach. So this is basically meant as the hidden beach of Gokarna. Very few people manage to reach here because it's almost a 4 to 5 kilometer stretch of off-roading that you have to do, and my car is completely red with all the mud. Hope I don't get lost on this track. Almost 15 minutes that I'm trekking. Oh my god, look at this slope. Damn. The things you have to do for a good drone footage. Please save me. The only thing that I have with me is a drone, a protein bar which is almost over, and my GoPro. So I'm trying to eat the protein bar as low as possible because I didn't carry water with me. How foolish that can I be? But God has given me just 2 hands, so we'll have to manage with both. So basically, when you come on such trips, such trekking trips, when you find such unique spots, and if you carry some kind of packaged food with you, all you have to do is do this and just shove it in your pocket. That's all you have to do basically. Not throw it away like this or like this. Sheesh. Or like this. Or like this. Come on, yeah. See, there are 2 roads now, this one and this one. So I'm literally stuck. I don't know where to go. But there is a sign over here which gives a direction of this road. So I'm going to follow this sign and see where it takes me. I can see the beach. Oh, it's crazy. Oh damn, I think I need to slow down now. Whew. I think I have to go right down. I've reached to Paradise Beach, and the moment you reach to Paradise Beach, see what I found. Wow. Such a beauty. It's similar to Kakolem beach in Goa because there are rocks similar to this over there, but it's much more prettier and it's quite clean, I would say. And they are wondering, what the hell am I doing right here? Oh, back to climbing Mount Calvary. Oh, so we've seen Paradise Beach and Half Moon Beach, so it's kind of similar, but to go to the Half Moon Beach you need to do another trek of about 10 minutes. You have to climb a quick mountain which is quite dangerous and it's quite steep. This is the spot where I got stuck. Luckily it led me to some beach or the other. Whew. Luckily I found a small general store at the beach. They were quite welcoming. They're offering me Maggie, watermelon juice, lime juice, but I said for now just give me a bottle of water, that's it. So I got a bottle of water, and luckily and hopefully I would say I'll be able to complete this trekking journey of mine to Paradise Beach. So let's try to wrap it up because I have to check in at the hotel soon, because they told me to check in by 12 and now it's already 12:45, so I have to head there. Oh, I think I know this fruit. Can you see this fruit? It's a blackberry. I think I'll find some on the way. Just need to keep a watch. That's it. See, these are the blackberries. In Konkani we call them kandas. So all my Goan brothers and sisters would relate to what I'm actually trying to find over here. There's one on top, but it's too risky to get it. So I'll keep searching. I might find at least one that I can taste. Nothing on this tree as well. Nope. The season is yet to start. They usually start ripening up by mid of May. So just before the rains is when they actually start getting ripe. See, there are some over here also. Oh damn, there are so many on top. Oh my god, I think this is the one. This is the tree. There's another one over here. But oh, I think I found what I was searching for. Oh, I don't get. Oh, this is it. This is it. Nice. Get another one. Sweet. That was too sour. The blackberries over at this place are much more sour and bitter as compared to Goa. Maybe it's because of the sea that is nearby. So it has that salty taste. When you put it in your tongue, on your tongue, you can feel a bit of salt. So that is different. Okay, so now we are properly heading back. So let's head back to the car and let's continue the rest of the journey. So we have finally reached to my car. Look at the state of my tires. Look at these. Oh my god. Damn, now let's head back.